The personal injury practice that I'm responsible for incorporates all personal injuries that aren't work-related, that aren't motor vehicle accident-related, the generality of personal injuries, including medically acquired injuries that people might have acquired as a result of medical procedures, for example. Keller can help people who have slipped and fallen and sustained an injury, as long as they can establish that their injuries were due to the fault of another. And that's the area of our expertise is in establishing whether or not somebody is at fault and is liable to compensate the person for their injury. The non-territory personal injury law limits people's entitlement to compensation and has a particular regime in place for assessment of the amount of compensation, and limits the discretion that judges have to make awards of compensation outside that legislative framework. Generally speaking, in personal injury cases, we will act on a no-win, no-fee basis, and by that I mean that we won't expect to be paid unless we're successful, but we will require a contribution for out-of-pocket expenses like disbursements, necessary doctor's reports to report on the nature and extent of the injury, etc. I think our point of difference is probably our experience, our interest, our attention to detail. I've got 20 years post-admission experience as a solicitor, dealing in personal injury with an area of specialisation in medically acquired injuries. I'll always give clients my advice about whether or not it's cost effective to proceed. I think it's important that clients do a cost-benefit analysis about whether or not, in all the circumstances, it's likely to be financially worthwhile for them to take action. And I'm always there to answer a query or take a call or respond to an email. And at the end of the day, I want to get them the best possible results as cost effectively as possible, and I'm certainly sympathetic to their situation.